Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I am here, Kissimmee, Florida. It's Orange World. Come on in, check it out. Guys, check this out. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've lived here, not far from here, in Celebration, Florida, about 6 years now. I've driven by this hundreds of times and I've never stopped in. And so I said, I need to go to Orange World today and I need to vlog it. So I'm going to show you all about Orange World, guys. Actually, we're right here over by, this is Route 192. It goes right through Kissimmee, Florida. Actually, if you go down that way, you'd end up in St. Cloud, Florida. If you kept continuing that way, you'd end up Davenport, Claremont area, Florida. But this is a very major route here in the Orlando area. So I want to go in here and check out Orange World. So a little history of it, because I did look up some history. It started in 1971 as just a little gas station, and then in 1988 they put on the big roof and it's become like a tourist attraction. So they have obviously oranges, jellies, honeys, fresh orange juice. I got Roberta with me today. So you can get these trees, $27.99 or 2 for $50 orange trees. Got grapefruits. Oh, look at these, $2 each. Tangerines. They are known to have very good fruit. They got coconuts, Roberta. They got some little mini watermelons out here. You can buy by the case too. Look at that. And I do believe they do have fresh orange juice here as well. Maybe we'll get some, I don't know. Just kind of show you as I walk by all the different things you can get. Very cool. $1.50 for the orange side. Oh, it's like a gift shop inside. They do have some Orange World. Roberta, would you rock that? The world's largest orange?
That's cool.
It is cool. Got some stuff here. You can make like fresh orange juice. Orange bubble gum. What is this? Like orange, a tester, Roberta. What is it?
Body lotion.
Orange body lotion.
Yeah.
They got all kinds of Orange World stuff here, Roberta. Look at that plate. And oh look, a little orange candle. All kinds of neat stuff here. I'm just gonna kind of walk through here and show you what's inside. They got like candies. It just reminds me, it's kind of neat. Off Route 192, right?
Yeah.
It's like a little, like this little tourist gift shop.
Stick filler.
Citrus stick peeler.
Yeah.
You know what I use? I'm gonna show you. Ah, that's what I was just gonna say. I use a spoon because if you turn the spoon this way, you get right underneath. That's what I use to peel oranges. Like a little alligator pen. I actually do like the hoodie. The Orange World hoodie. The world's largest orange. And then they have, of course,
Buy one, get one 50% off, like $20 each.
yeah, tons of Disney t-shirts. And of course, these are not official park t-shirts, but you can definitely save some money by coming in here and buying your park apparel. Especially if you're just coming for a few days. Definitely nothing wrong with that. Oh, I actually like that. That's pretty cool. Kind of like the Izod, but the Florida with the gator since 1845. Pretty neat. Oh, they do have some. Okay, so this is all the shirts. Now we're getting like, you have Orlando shirts, things like that. So it's not just Disney. Mostly Disney, though. Oh, even some Roberta.
Yeah.
Some Harry Potter. Oh, this is actually Hallmark. Pretty neat, but I do see a cooler over there I want to get to. So kind of just... You can see it's just like a... It's clean and nice in here, though, I will say.
Yeah.
It's very clean and nice inside the store. Little bowls. was always curious what was in here. It's just like one of those big gift shops with an orange roof on it, basically, is what it is. And they sell fruit. I did see a refrigerator over here I want to go and take a look at. Wow. That is a lot. $15 for a gallon. Fresh squeezed. You can get a cup for $3.50. 100% Florida orange juice. And of course they have regular sodas and things. Yahoo! Oh my gosh. I haven't had a Yahoo in so long. And then just some Gatorades and things. Oh, they got socks. A1. What'd you find, Roberta? Little wands?
Yeah.
Kind of a little bit of everything in here. Let me go see what's over here. They got like little toys. Kind of look at the construction of the roof, so it looks like it's just like a regular roof here, so that orange just sits on top. But I mean, the store is definitely clean in here. It's actually impressive. Oh, jams. Little jams, Roberta, here.
Yeah.
Jellies. Oh, look back here, even more.
$5.
So this is the brand. So
Jelly.
it's the division of Dundee since 1967. So it's small batch made in Florida. So it's a local company here.
This one is $10, for an example.
It's a jalapeno.
Yeah.
Raspberry jalapeno jelly. Wow. There's all tons of them. One of my grandmother's favorites right here, Roberta. Orange marmalade.
$10 for the dancing. And there's other kinds in here. Frog jam? Oh, fig, raspberry, orange, and ginger.
Oh, so frog. Got it. Cool. Oh, look at watermelon. Got some honey, Roberta. Different honeys. Look at this. It's like honeycomb. Very interesting. Honey beer pops. Oh, and of course taffy. It's just like a little like... It's like, you know, if you were traveling around, right, Roberta? If you were driving on like a road trip and you saw this, you would stop in here.
Yeah.
And then you'd find all these typical things. Reminds me of some of the little places like we used to drive down to the Outer Banks and you'd have these little stands, farm stands and things. Kind of similar to one of those. And some peanuts. I think I'm going to actually grab one of those juices, those fresh juices. We'll try it and see how it is. Plus, I'm getting over, if you've been following the channel, I was laid up. Had like a virus flu thing going around. This is probably the first day really that I'm feeling really good. Like the cough is finally starting to go away. So I think a little fresh orange juice with some vitamin C is just what the doctor ordered for me today. Let's try it. And if you do want to get an alligator head, you can. Or an alligator back scratcher. These are always weird. I always found these to be strange. These little like sharks they have in these jars. Those have been around since like I was a kid. I never really understood. Look at that one. Roberta's got the juice. Let's head out and try it, Roberta. I'll give you first sip because I know you don't want to, in case I have a little bit of this cold left, you don't want any of that. Also get free samples. He's giving out free samples of different oranges over there. But I want to find a spot. Actually, hang on a minute. I'm going to bring you on the flying elephants here. It's like a little food truck too. I saw these tables, but that's actually for the food truck. But he's not open actually. So I'm going to go over here and use his table for a moment to have my juice because he's not open, so I'm not taking away his business here. But anyway, take a look at the orange world right there, Roberta. Something to behold. Very unique. Here we go. We're going to let Roberta have honors with it. We're going to give it a little shake. And let's see how it is. Roberta, first thing I want to know before you say anything. You are from Brazil.
Yeah.
The juice in Brazil is like this anywhere you go. Is fresh squeezed.
Yeah.
I want to know first how you like this juice, and is it comparable? Is your taste buds loving this? Go ahead, let me know. Does it have pulp in it? Is it smooth? I'm gonna have a sip, but you go first.
Yeah, there's a little bit of that.
Yeah, a little
It's
pulpy.
good.
I like
Yeah.
a little pulp. It's good.
Yeah.
All right, let me try it.
It's kind of sweet.
Yeah. I was expecting a little more burst of orange. It's smooth.
It's smooth, yeah. It's good. It's a little bit sweet. It's not.
It's good. Don't get me wrong. It's good. I have to remind myself. It's not a carton of juice that has a bunch of sugars added in and everything.
Yeah.
It's just a natural juice. It's actually very good. It's
It
very
is.
smooth. It's light. And it's got the taste of orange. Like a fresh taste of orange. It's just enough, little bit of pulp. So it's not like you're going to get a ton of pulp where it's all stuck in your mouth. Very good. So thanks for coming along with us
Yeah.
to Orange World, Kissimmee.
Long time ago, we tried to come, but they were like having construction inside.
Yeah,
And it was a long time.
I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we've been here 6 years and we've never been inside here.
Yeah.
We've driven by it so many times.
But one time we tried to come.
We
but
did
was-
try once, I remember now that you said that, and it was like there was a fire, they said. And they were trying to get it all fixed, but you can really tell that it's nice inside there.
Yeah.
Very clean. And yeah, I think it's worth stopping in especially if you're driving
Yeah.
and you need a little place for a rest.
And
Guys,
plus it's a
oh,
lot
go
of
ahead.
local things too, like things you get when you go on a trip.
Yeah, well, what's different for us is I feel like it's like, okay, it's not yeah, we're in that bubble at Disney, but this is almost like a little break of it, even though there's the Disney
Yeah.
stuff inside. It's nice to see the oranges and the juice.
Yeah.
Feels like Florida, man.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. I'm enjoying my juice. Last but not least, see ya!